Namaskar students. In the previous video we have learned how to find the mean from given grouped data using direct method and assumed mean method. Hereby in this video we will learn how to find mode. Before coming on the mode, again I would like to remind, actually mean, median and mode, all these three are known as measures of central tendency. Why it is central tendency? Because it is neither extreme nor the start. It can be depend on anyone, but that must be one of the observations given to us. Like one example I am taking, like 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will see if we are going to take the mean. So I think we have discussed it already. We will add all these observations and divide by the number of observations to get the number of to get the mean of these numbers, this data. That number will be coming in between somewhere, equal to or less than 8, equal to or more than 3. For mean, this mean will be somewhere in between, means leaving the extremes also. But median is the middle point. Median is the middle point which will be sequentially coming in the center, as the distance from left extreme as the distance from right extreme. It is exactly in between the both of the ends. Now mode is something else. I would like to explain mode using the glass of water with mixed with sugar, a teaspoonful sugar. Well clear. First of all, you should understand what is the central tendency. I am coming on that. Okay, when we are putting 1 teaspoonful sugar in the glass of water, the water of the glass denatured. It is not water now. Neither it is sugar. In between something. Neither water nor sugar. But we name it something else. Sharbat. This sharbat has the characteristic of water as well as that of sugar, but not exactly water, not exactly sugar. But hereby I would like to bring your attention on mode. So what is mode? Actually, again I would like to get some mixture form to explain. Let's take 1 teaspoonful salt, eating salt, and 10 spoonful sugar. Mix them all. So I think you will feel sweetness more than the salty nature. Why it is so? Because majority wins. The sugar is maximum in number, more in number. So it is, it is covering the. It is showing its own characteristic, and characteristic of salt is now got deprived, meaningless. In the same way, what water we are using day by day, that is mixture of water and so many salts also. But what do we feel? Watery nature, not salty nature. Where salt is extra in the water, we feel salty nature of the water because of the availability of salt. So hereby mode is that observation which is having its abundant extra approach, extra presentation. In other words, in 9th class you have studied, mode is the observation which has the maximum frequency. Means that observation is called mode which is have very frequent occurring. Maximum observations. One example I am taking, like in a class there are 5 students, one student is getting 3 marks, another is getting 3 marks, third is getting 3 marks, another one is getting 10 marks, and again 10 marks. So according to out of 10, observation is out of 10 only. So according to this mass observation, we can see that actually you can see 40% students are good, but 60% are bad. But according to modular value, we will say the class is poor class, isn't it? One example another I am taking. Say there are 10 students. One is taking 0 marks, another is taking 0 marks, third is taking 0 marks, next is taking 10, 10, 9, 9, 8, 8, 7. There are 10 students. You can count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 students are there, and according to mod, the class is differ because the frequency that is maximum for the data is for 0. Means 0 is most frequent to occur. 0 is most frequent to occur. So it is affecting. So actually central tendency is the measure for affecting only. Which observation is going to affect? That is mod. No doubt others will also affect the data, but this is affecting the most. So what is mode? Mode is most frequently occurring observation. In class 10, we have to study it by a formula. There also we have to go for the model class, and model class will be seen by its frequency only. It's a grouped frequency. Let's take one example over here. One question which is from NCERT only. The question is, the following table shows the ages of patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Hereby, actually, mode is calculated by using formula L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F1 into H. It is F2, not F1. F2. F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. Now we have to understand their meaning. First of all, what is L? L is lower limit. It is lower limit of model class. Lower limit of model class. F1 frequency of model class. F0 frequency of previous class, and F2 is frequency of succeeding class. This must be understood. This is a matter to understand. Mod is always equal to lower limit of the model class plus frequency of the model class minus the frequency of the previous class upon twice of the frequency of model class minus frequency of previous class minus frequency of succeeding class, ultimately multiplied by H, leaving L. L is separate, but this is one term. This term is going to be multiplied by H. What is H? That is the height of the class. Hereby height of the class is clear. So first of all, we have to think two things. One is the height of the class, or you can say width of the class. Second thing, the model class. Model class is the class having maximum frequency. It must be understood. Model class is the class having maximum frequency. So very clear, we can understand from here what is model class. Model class is 35 to 45 because it is having the maximum frequency. This must be explained by, this must be known to us. It must be explained properly. What is it? Model class. We'll write here model class. That is 35 to 45. Actually, this is creating clarity for different facts. F0, F1, F0, F2, H and L. All these facts are depending on this only to know model class. Understanding model class, we can get all these things clear. Now for mod of this class. Now we can calculate mod, that is equal to L. What is L? 35 plus again F1 minus F1. F1 is, what is the F1? 23 minus F0, frequency of the previous class, 21 upon twice of 23 minus F0, previous class frequency, F2, succeeding class frequency, 14, and this is finally to be multiplied by H. What is H? That is 10. Calculation is your own. You can calculate it clearly. So 35 plus now 23 minus 21, that is 2 into 10 upon 46 minus 35. That is equal to 35 plus 20 upon 11. For 35, 20, 11. That is 35 plus, I think 11 ones 11 and 9, 90, 11 8 times. In this way we have got it is exactly 36.8 approx. It is calculated with 36.8 approx. That is all for this question. I hope it is clear. And in mod, if one question is got clear, then you can solve every question, because there is no difference between them all. Two things are to be taken care to understand model class. If model class is got to us, then we can get lower limit, we can get corresponding frequency, we can get frequency of succeeding as well as preceding class, and height also. So all these things are required. No more than this we need. Our next question is, the following data gives the distribution of the total monthly household expenditure of 200 families in a village. Find the model monthly expenditure of the families. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. So mean can be calculated by you as we have done in the previous class. I will be focused here for mode only. So again, what should be focused on by us to get the model class? So we will see for model class what we have to see. We have to see the maximum frequency class. So we'll see here the maximum frequency is contained in it. This is maximum frequency class. So if this is maximum frequency class, we'll write here model class. We'll get here model class, that is 1500 to 2000. Well clear, so many things are now clear. We'll see L. L is 1500. F1 is 40. F0 means frequency of the previous class 24. F1, F2 that is equal to 33. H is clearly of 500. H is 500. So calculation can be processed by us now. So we'll get here again median. Mod is again we have to take here mod. I am starting from here. Mod that is equal to again L. L means 1500 plus F1 minus F0 means 40 minus 24 upon 2 times into 40 minus 24 minus 33 into 500. That's all for you. You can calculate by any method taken by you. So we can have that is equal to 1500 plus 40 minus 24, that is 16 into 500 upon 80 minus 67. 80 minus 2 into 40, that is 80, and 24 plus 33, 57. Okay, now 1500 plus 8000 upon how much we are getting? 23. It is coming to be 23. Okay, so calculating it, divide it, we'll get 1500 plus 8000 quickly to be divided by you, and dividing it separately you will get 347.83. 347.83. Now add them up. 1847.83. That is in rupees monthly expenditure. Modeler monthly expenditure is this much, 1847.83. Okay, so that's all for this video, and you will be able to get the questions solved on it. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll discuss mean in the next video.